stop eating oatmeal like this. Because most people are turning a healthy breakfast into a sugar spike without realizing it. But today, I'll show you how to make oatmeal. No sugar, balanced, and still creamy and delicious. In just 5 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. If you're trying to eat healthier or avoid sugar crashes, this video is for you. Oatmeal can be one of the best breakfasts or one of the worst, depending on how you make it. Let me show you the right way. Most people make oatmeal like this. Adding sugar, using flavored packets, adding too much honey or syrup. And what happens? You feel full for a short time, then your energy crashes and you get hungry again quickly. This is because it becomes high in sugar and low in balance. What your body needs. A healthy breakfast should include fiber, protein, healthy fats. This combination helps keep you full longer, prevent sugar spikes, give steady energy. Let's make a better version. Add to a bowl or jar 1/2 cup oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 cup almond milk, stevia or monk fruit. Now mix everything together slowly. Look at that texture, smooth, creamy and rich. This looks like dessert, but it's completely clean and balanced. No sugar, no crash. If you want to make it even better, add a few nuts, some seeds, or a little protein powder. Now it becomes even more filling. You can eat this in the morning for energy, before work or school, even as a healthy snack. It's quick, simple, and keeps you satisfied. For me, switching to simple breakfasts like this made a big difference. No more energy crashes, no more constant snacking. Just steady energy throughout the day. Now, I want to know, how do you usually eat your oatmeal? Now I want to know, how do you usually eat your oatmeal? Comment below, and if you want more simple, healthy recipes, subscribe to Eat Clean Daily.